Hercules! Behave yourself.
Oh, look at this. Look how cute he is. Oh, he's strong. Like his dad.
Well, excuse me, hot stuff coming through. Excuse me, up one side, Aries.
Why, Hermes, they're lovely.
Yeah, you know, I had Orpheus do the arrangement. Isn't that too nutty? Fabulous party. You know, I haven't seen this much love in a room since Narcissus discovered himself.
Here, keep those away from the baby.
Oh, he won't hurt himself. Let the kid have a little fun.
On behalf of my son, I want to thank you all for your wonderful gifts.
What about our gift, dear?
Well, let's see here. We'll take, yes, a little Cirrus, and, a touch of Nimble Stratus, and a dash of Cumulus. His name is Pegasus, and he's all yours, son.
Mind his head?
He's so tiny. My boy, my little Hercules.
How sentimental. You know, I haven't been this choked up since I got a hunk of moussaka caught in my throat. Huh? So is this an audience or a mosaic? Hey, how you doing? Looking good. Nice dress.
So, Hades, you finally made it. How are things in the underworld?
Well, they're just fine. You know, a little dark, a little gloomy, and as always, hey, full of dead people. What are you gonna do? Oh, there's the little sunspot. Little snoochie. And here is a sucker for the little sucker. Here you go. Yeesh. Powerful little tyke.
Come on, Hades, don't be such a stiff. Join the celebration.
Hey, love to, babe. But unlike you gods lounging about up here, I regrettably have a full-time gig that you, by the way, so charitably bestowed on me, Zeus. So, can't. Love to, but can't.
You want to slow down. You'll work yourself to death. Ha! Work yourself to death.
Kill myself.
If only. If only.